Hey guys, welcome to another one of my tech reviewing episodes. Today we have a keyboard. So this is not just an ordinary keyboard. We got a full-size gaming mechanical keyboard. So this is provided to me by Xtreme Technologies. I'll link more about them in the description. So this is from the keyboard is from JERTECH. It's called the Lightning K910. So okay, it's got RGB, JERTECH chroma, mechanical, just earlier I said. So I got the white color keyboard. Okay, so first of all we got a plastic wrapping around the keyboard. Alright, so let's get it out. Right, so I'm gonna remove the plastic wrapping now. Alright, so we got the gold color. Oh, it's not gold. I think it's gold. So we got the gold color. Like it's a plate. It's kind of a plate. Yeah, it's stainless steel gold plate, which obviously holds the keys. The keys are white, and also, as you can see from the side, these are obviously mechanical because there's a huge gap. For me, the travel is just perfect, like for gaming and stuff. So also the wire we have is not, yeah, it's quite durable, and also it's long. Yeah, we got quite a long cable here. Alright, so I'll connect it, and yeah, these clips on the underside, on the underbody of the keyboard, and yeah, so you can keep them like this. So yeah, it's a more comfortable position, at least for me. Or you can just, yeah, lower the switch, like I'm just gonna call them switches. You can lower those switches and keep on a low profile, or you can go either to a keep them in a high profile. So, yeah, my preference is the high profile. Comment below on what your favorite profile. The keyboard to my computer. Okay, so I have turned off RGB right now, so I'm just going to turn it on. Yeah, I don't know if it's visible to the camera, but I say it's quite visible. Yeah, you also got 3 lights for the num lock, caps lock, and the other one for the RGB. So you got the JERTECH badge here, and yeah, this is really good keyboard for me. Actually, the typing experience is really good. That it has the perfect travel, the key travel, and when typing with this keyboard, it's really satisfying actually. So I'm just gonna turn off the RGB because I don't turn it on during daytime. I only turn it on during, well, when it's dark. I don't think many people just turns on RGB at daytime. And also, like, it makes a sound and it's pretty satisfying. Listen to this. It's pretty satisfying. I don't know if you can hear it all much, but I think you pretty much can hear it. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and please give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Share my video with others. Also comment on what sort of videos I can do in the future. And yeah, I'm gonna see you on another episode. So bye, peace.